Have you ever wondered what happened to your old work computer when you received the shiny new model?
We had to do a PC refresh, 2,500 PCs every year. And having new PCs coming in, you have to do something with the old PCs.
Data security concerns abound as electronics are retired. How do you protect your information? Landfill disposal has been outlawed in most places, and for good reason.
What that means for us is that as technology continues to evolve, the demand for green solutions is going to only increase even further.
The recycling responsibility, next on Green Tech. In 1965, Gordon Moore, co-founder of Intel, coined a new law known as Moore's Law. In short, it states that the complexity of technology will double every 2 years. The natural consequence of this is that technology will become outdated at an ever-increasing pace, creating mountains of electronic waste. Leading the effort to responsibly recycle computer and electronic waste is Maven Technologies. Maven Technologies was founded in 1998 with a mission to recycle electronics in an environmentally safe and data-secure manner. Time and again, Maven has been discovered by the elite in IT management, from government and defense entities to a host of private companies. And you found Maven when you were a leader actually in a different company. What led you to Maven, and why were you seeking an e-recycler in the first place?
I was working at Excelis Blue Cross Blue Shield. The job was to to manage our desktop support team. We had to do a PC refresh, 2,500 PCs every year. It just stacks up into conference rooms, stacks up into storage rooms, and we've got new equipment coming in, old equipment going out. We have to do something with the old stuff. So we contacted Maven Technologies.
Now, who is Maven Technologies and how did you come to know them?
At the time, we weren't necessarily looking to change, but we wanted to do our due diligence and make sure that we were pleased with the services that we were receiving from the other company. We had people's social security numbers, all their employment information, student demographic information, lots of very sensitive data that we can't have get out into the public, and that it has to be secure. And that was one of the things that really struck me, especially when we went on a tour of the Maven facilities.
So what did you expect in the way of data destruction?
Well, I expected a variety of things, either having the drives destroyed out of the PCs or having the data overwritten. The most important thing was you just didn't want to have this data out on, showing up somewhere in another company or someplace.
The other big thing for us was paperwork and making sure that we had documentation for everything that we sent, because we have to make sure that we keep track of all the real assets. I mean, we're talking about taxpayers' dollars here, and we have to be sure that we can account for everything from the time we issue a purchase order for it all the way till the end, where our Board of Education declares it obsolete and it's recycled.
To understand why people rely on Maven Technologies, we went to the source, Maven Technologies President Todd Wheaton and VP of Operations Ken Johnson.
Well, we always invite our customers and our potential customers to come check out our processing center and our full process from the moment we pick up your product to the time it leaves our facility. We want to make them feel comfortable that they can use Maven Technologies for all their computer and electronics recycling needs.
Maven holds some pretty highly coveted certifications. How were they achieved and how are they important to your work?
We received the R2 certification, which is responsible recycling, and we also obtained the RIO certification, which is the Recycling Industry Operating Standard. Now, combine those certifications make us a certified electronics recycler. It really gives our customers peace of mind to know that we're doing the right things, because they either don't have the time, they don't know exactly what questions to be asking or what questions to be looking for. The people that develop these standards, they develop that so they know what they should be looking for. They know what a responsible recycling operation is, and they know what ones that are pretending to be.
The sum of Maven's diligence and dedication to responsible electronics recycling is evident in their clients' opinion of Maven Technologies services. As president of a company, how important is that peace of mind to you on a day-to-day basis?
Very important. It's you don't have that kind of time to have to worry about what you're going to do as far as disposing equipment. That's their job. Maven, again, they come in, they take care of it, they address it. It's a phone call away.
To see how data destruction happens here and the degree to which it happens gave me incredible peace of mind that I was able to pass on not only to our Board of Education, but to the component school districts whose data we're receiving back on some of these machines.
I'm proud of being an employee at Maven because we have high standards. We hold pretty high principles on what we are about, what we're willing to do for our customers.
For every positive advancement in technology, the outdated technology presents security risks and far-reaching environmental concerns. Maven Technologies negates these risks with audited and certifiable processes, followed by detailed reporting. Trust Maven Technologies to remove outdated technology and return peace of mind.